Hi friends! Today we are going to practice making our own dance moves by moving like our favorite animals. First, you'll warm up with me, Miss Michelle, and learn about how we can move like a tall and confident giraffe, a tiny and quick mouse, a big heavy bear, and maybe even a pet dog. Then, you'll get to follow along with Miss Mariah's directions and make up your own dance moves. Let's get started! First, we will do a quick warm-up to get our bodies moving. 10 jumping jacks like a kangaroo. Ready? Go! 5 bunny hops on each leg. Ready? Go! 'Let's roar like a lion in a circle. Follow me. Let's flap our arms like chickens. Ready? Go! Now let's get down to the floor and do our crab dance. Ready? Follow me. Great job, friends. Let's do a big downward dog stretch. Ready? Go! Great, and let's end with a few cat and cow stretches. Ready? Go! Great work, friends! Now we are ready to move like some of my favorite animals. Let's start by moving like a tall and proud giraffe. How do you think a giraffe moves? Take the time to move like a giraffe. Now let's move down low like a quick and small mouse. Ready? Go! Great work! Next, let's move like a big heavy bear. How does a bear move? Ready? Go! Okay, friends, last one. Let's do my favorite one, a dog. How do you think a dog moves? On 4 legs? Let's do it! Wow, that was really fun! We moved like so many animals. Next, Miss Mariah will help you dance like your favorite animals.
Hey friends, so now that you just got to explore movement when thinking of different animals with Miss Michelle, now we are going to create movement for our favorite animals. So I want you to think of 3 of your favorite animals and you are going to create movement for each one. So for example, my animals are going to be a kangaroo, a lion, and a monkey. So maybe for a kangaroo, I want to go like this. That's my kangaroo movement. Now, for a lion, maybe I want to go like this. Yeah? So this is my lion movement coming out like I have a big mane. And maybe for a monkey, I want to go like this. Yeah? So now I have to put all 3 movements together. Do you think I can do it? I think I can do it. And kangaroo. Lion. Monkey. So friends, that was my small animal dance. So once you have picked your 3 animals, go ahead and take some time to create 3 moves for each animal and then put it all together. Once you're done putting it all together, you just made your own animal dance, and you are welcome to share it with somebody in your household, like a sibling, your family member, or even a pet. And if you like to keep adding on, you can do that as Thank you, friends, for joining us on this session today. We hope that you had a fun time and are happy with what you created. Again, please feel free to share this with anyone in your household or even add on to it. See you next time.